Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are fine there. Take care. Today we are going to learn about question tags. How to form question tags. Actually, in my previous class, I have explained the rules and clues how to form a question tag. And today we are going to learn about semi-negative words. Understand? Semi-negative words, when we see in the statement how to form a question tag. For example, words like little, few, hardly, never, scarcely, rarely, seldom, they are treated as negative. Understand? They are treated as negative, and so we take positive tag in question tag. For example, you see here, these are treated as negative, so we take the positive question tag. And all of you know that these things, little, few, hardly, never, scarcely, rarely, seldom, these are treated as semi-negative. Semi-negative means we treat them as negative in the statement. As they are treated as negative in statement, we took positive question tag. And next unit we are going to learn about difference between a few and a little. Here we are going to learn about the difference between few, a few, little, a little. Okay, now come to the unit, children. Question tags. Semi-negative words like little, few, hardly, never, scarcely, rarely, seldom are treated as negatives. Understand? All these words are treated as negatives. So, we take a positive tag. Okay? As we treat these words as negatives, though they are semi-negative, we treat them as negatives in question tag. So, we take positive tag for these statements. So, few students attended the online meeting. Few students attended. This is past tense V2. Few students attended the online class. Did they? Why did? This is as it is past tense V2. We use the past auxiliary verb. Okay, did they? Next is, we could scarcely understand him. We could scarcely. That means not completely. We could scarcely understand him. Not totally. So, could we? Understand? As it is a negative statement, we used positive question tag. Next is, they seldom meet me. They seldom meet me. As it is they in pronoun, we use do. They seldom meet me. Okay, seldom. They seldom meet me. Do they? Okay, this do or des. Des is used for he, she, it, or any name, singular name. Okay, des is used for he, she, it, or any singular name. And do is used with I, we, you, they, or any plural name, or any plural, children, teachers, okay, women, like that way. So, they seldom meet me. Do they? Understand? Meet me is V1. As it is V1, we used present auxiliary verb. Okay, they seldom meet me. Do they? Oh, next, little money was invested in this business. Little money was. You have the helping verb here. Okay, as we have helping verb here, we use was itself. Okay, little money was invested in this business. Was it? It's not wasn't it. because we treated these sentences, we treated the statements which have these words. The statement with these words are treated as negative statement, so we add a positive question tag. Hope you understood, children. So little money was invested in this business. Was it? Understand? And now come to the next unit. Statements with a few and a little. Few, a little. Did you understand what is the meaning of a few and a little? Actually, few means not many. That means almost none, almost nothing. Few means. But whereas a few means some. Okay, some, a small amount, a small number. Okay, did you find the difference between few and a few? Few means not many, not many means almost none. Okay, but whereas a few means some, a small number. And the same thing comes to little also. A little means some, that means small amount. Understand? A little means some. Small means, little means almost nothing. Okay? Little, as few, not many, little also not much. But whereas a little means some. That means small amount. Did you understand? A few means some. That means a small amount. But few means not much, almost nothing. Did you understand the difference between a few and few? Then next. Statements with a few and a little are positive. Okay, these are treated as positive, so that's why they take a negative tag. Here we treat these as negative, so we took positive tag. But here a few and a little, they are treated as positive and they take negative question tag. Now see, a few people attended the meeting. Attended, this is V2, past tense. A few people attended the meeting. As it is positive, we took didn't they, negative tag, didn't they. Okay, didn't they. A few people attended, past tense, the meeting, so past auxiliary verb. Okay, past helping verb, didn't they. Now next. A little progress has been made. A little progress has been made. Hasn't it? Hasn't it? Understand? As it is positive, we took negative tag. Has, hasn't. As it is it, we use singular. If it is they, we use haven't. Okay? Hope you understood. And practice more and more regarding these words, these statements with these words, statements with these semi-negative words, and go on learning more. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class. Keep smiling.